Good morning! I did not record a video because I had rain, sun, so I had to pack the tent in that exact moment when it was dry enough, which took some time. Now I put just in the navigation the place where I left the Wild Atlantic Way yesterday, so I'll just go there. I won't be lucky with the weather today. Yesterday was just beautiful, but today I won't be that lucky. That's why I already put on my rain trousers as well. It's not working like that. Come on. Oh yeah, there's a street. I just had my breakfast here. In the supermarket they have tables and breakfast. I had sausages and a sausage roll. Yeah, very nice. She said then, yeah, we're never far from rain. I think that describes it just perfect. Being never far from rain. Oh, what a perfect sentence. I love that. I think in the end she spoke a bit more clearly with me. I was like, what? The first sentences she said, I stood there, I was like, what language is that? It's nice. Here is north, it seems. Look at that. Wow. Oh, it's super windy. It's just... it's insane. Do you see it in the grass? Unbelievable. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that is beautiful. Great. So let's go. Oh, hello. Who are you? Beautiful. You as well. Well, let's see where I end up. I don't want them to fly away. It's a bit dangerous. So this is the Towhead signal tower. But the track is actually up here, so I need to go back. That wind is insane. a beautiful place. Doesn't look like these are big ships. That doesn't look like I can put my motorbike on it. Ticket office, I will ask them. So I had to leave my bike at the parking and it costs 20 euros, so you can go to the island and back. She told me it's 40 minutes one way. We leave at 2 o'clock and you can go back either at 4 or at 6. I thought I could take my motorbike across from Baltimore to Kenmare Pier, but it turned out ferries don't transport cars or motorbikes, which completely messed up my schedule. I did manage to catch the ferry to Cape Clear Island, but without my bike. And let me tell you, exploring the island in full motorcycle gear was not my smartest move. There is a fair bit of walking involved. My main goal was to fly my drone and film the lighthouse, but heavy rain had other plans. The actual hiking trail takes you to the Cape Clear Museum, an old school building where you can check out an exhibition about the island's history and daily life. These cows are pretty nice, look at them. Do you see them? I don't know. I've never seen fluffy cows like this. They all have the same color. They're pretty cute. So well, you cannot go to the other side with the ship, so I have to ride anyway. I have to see, because this was all one-way riding, so I have to go up here maybe. Yes, that was the southernmost island of Ireland. You should be prepared with the right clothes. I wasn't, but that was just because I came to the port 10 minutes before the ferry left, and she told me, yeah, the ferry leaves in 10 minutes, so I thought, okay, I'll pack everything I might need. I took the drone, which was completely unnecessary because it was raining all the time. But it wasn't when I came to the port, so I thought maybe I have a chance to fly the drone. But no chance. I would have left a lot of my clothes if I had more time, but that was just not the case. So I went there with all my motorcycle gear, and that makes it quite uncomfortable to hike for a long time, which is really sad. But okay, can't help. So it's getting stronger again, the rain, so I might unplug or shut down the camera. So, I am already in my tent because it's raining all the time, so I built up the tent and put all my stuff in. Good morning. The sun is shining right now. My stuff is all wet, but at least the sun is shining. I'll go down now and pay. Oh damn, the heated grips are very strong right now. So he just told me I can do the bicycle way, which is basically going down the purple lane instead of the red lane, so I'll do that. Next stop is Mizen Head. Oh man, I hate these gloves. These are my winter gloves, but yeah, the others are still completely wet, so I have to go with them now. Usually only use them on highways or something like that, where I don't need any feeling in my fingers. Much more beautiful. This time I had booked my accommodation in advance. So I called the place where I booked for 2 nights because I wanted to make sure that I can park my bike, and on the other hand that they have some place for laundry, and yeah, I can do my laundry there. Not at the place directly, but there is a place in the village. So, I'm at Mizen Head. It is €7.50. For me it was €6 with student discount. So, but I should be able to go to the lighthouse this time. There is a bridge that connects that part. I'll show you. You see there is the bridge. Goes to the other side. Wow, it's just incredible. Just look at that. Unfortunately, there it is. No drones. That looks incredible. We're right now here, and yesterday I was here in Cape Clear Island. I took the ferry from here, got around all the way down here, go back, and then after that I drove over here through Shell and here to Goleen, where I slept. And this morning I took this route down here. This should be the parking, and then you can go. At first I was a little confused, as most of the pictures and information on the site were of the Fastnet Lighthouse, which is 54 meters high. In contrast, the Mizen Head Lighthouse has no tower at all. This was not necessary, as the cliffs are high enough. The Mizen Head Lighthouse was converted to automatic operation, and as a result the lightkeepers were finally withdrawn in March 1993. So over there is another lighthouse. I don't know if I want to go there. Let's see what he is doing. Okay, so you can drive over it. Alright. He told me he would not recommend it for cars. So look at that. Wow, that's incredible. Yeah, the black sheep everyone is always talking about. Hello, I'm sorry, I don't want to scare you. I don't think that is right. If the trail looks like this, it might end. So I have to turn around. It's quite good. There's no other track. I'm now here in Duros, where I had my nice lunch, and I will just go down here, the red line, go down until Sheep's Head, go back up the other side, over Bantry, Glengarriff, and then I will take this line, which is part of the Ring of Bearer, and then I will go to Kenmare. Let me see, because I have to keep in mind I have to check in until I think 7 p.m. Otherwise I have to call her and tell her I will be late, but it should be fine. Yeah, let's go. What a nice place, huh? So I checked in my hostel. Wait a second. Yeah, it's a lot of beds, and I will stay up here for at least 2 nights to ride the Ring of Kerry and the Ring of Bahera, something like that. I will just show you the view out of the room. Isn't that cute? These little tiny houses. Right here is my motorbike. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and see you for the next video. Bye!